If you are getting audio on some YouTube videos and not in others, or you are not getting any sound on YouTube videos on iPad Pro, in this video we will show you some ways to fix this issue. Let's check them out. First, make sure your iPad is not on mute, and also you can turn the volume up. It could fix the issue if you are not getting any audio on YouTube. If you are not using the latest version of YouTube, it could be causing the problem. So you can check if there is an update or not. Open App Store, search for YouTube. If there is an update, update it. If nothing else works, you can delete YouTube and reinstall it to fix the problem. So guys, these are the ways you can fix no audio problem on YouTube on iPad Pro. That's it for now. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any query on the topic, let us know in the comment box. Thank you.